We're going looking for a canyon. And we're going to rappel into a slot canyon. Right?
That's right.
I don't think this is the trail, Chase.
I don't think so. I think it should have tucked in right there.
Yeah. That way. That's the trail right there. Do it. Definitely. See, you get me lost. See, there's even flagging tape and you got lost. I don't remember it being down this flow. No, I don't, that's not it. I'm kind of curious to walk up that tree just to have a look if we can get on it. I'm going on it. I'm going to take a look here. Oh, look at this tree. Oh. That's slippery. So you pumped, Chase?
Oh, yeah.
You don't mind tying your own knot, do you?
Sure.
Teaching Chase how to use the gear. 101.
Oh,
but
yeah.
Don't take this off like you want. I'm showing him which way I want him to come down so I can get the shot that I'm looking for. Here he comes. Perfect, yep, perfect. Woo! Which way are you going to fall? I think you'll see, you'll be fine. But I'm not the one hanging below the rope. Are you having fun? Yeah. Chase is switching ropes. Wow, what a spot. Excellent. The water, nice and green. Nice. Pretty spoiled to have places like this. Come on up. What's taking so long? You say? Is that cool?
Oh, it was incredible.
Incredible. It was, no, it wasn't. What was it?
Wow.
Ah!